Hello everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, where we turn your outdoor dreams into reality. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we are tackling the single easiest way to boost your home's curb appeal, the Porch Container Garden. Forget backbreaking landscaping. We're going small, impactful, and ridiculously charming. We're going over what they are, why you need one, how to decorate it, and showing you my top 10 ideas. Let's dig in. So, what exactly are we talking about? Simply put, a porch container garden is any collection of plants grown in pots, planters, or other vessels placed specifically on your front porch, entryway, or stoop. It's gardening without commitment. It's the ultimate portable landscape. You get all the vibrancy and freshness of a garden right at your front door, greeting you and your guests. Think of it as a living, breathing welcome mat. It can be a single stunning focal point or a carefully curated collection of various sizes, shapes, and textures. The best part? You can swap out the whole display with the seasons. It's decorating with plants, and frankly, I think it's genius. Now, why bother? The benefits of a porch container garden are numerous, and trust me, they go beyond just looking pretty. First, it delivers instant, high-impact curb appeal. Your entryway sets the tone for your entire home, and a lush, beautiful display immediately makes your house look welcoming and well cared for. Second, they are incredibly practical. They work where traditional gardens won't, on concrete, on tiny porches, and in rental properties. They're also perfect for homeowners who want to hide less than stellar landscaping, or simply define an entrance. Third, they offer design flexibility. You can easily move them for maintenance, change plants for the season, pumpkins in fall, and quickly experiment with color and height combinations. Plus, container gardening often means fewer weeds and pests than in-ground planting. It's beauty, convenience, and pest control all in one pot. You're welcome. Decorating your porch container garden to look truly beautiful is simpler than you think. It all comes down to the thriller, filler, spiller method. Your thriller is your focal point. Something tall, dramatic, and central, like a grass, a dwarf evergreen, or a tall flowering plant like a tulip or dahlia. It should add vertical interest. Your filler is the plant that masses out and provides fullness in the middle. Think mounding plants like petunias, coleus, or pansies. They tie the thriller to the spiller. And finally, your spiller is anything that gracefully trails over the side of the pot, softening the edges of the container. Ivy, sweet potato vine, or creeping jenny are perfect spillers. Once you have your plants, ensure your pots are appropriately sized for the space. Larger pots look more substantial and actually require less watering. Group planters in odd numbers, 3 or 5, for a naturally appealing look. And always choose colors that complement your home's exterior for a cohesive, magazine-worthy finish. Choosing the right plant is crucial. You need plants that love being slightly confined and are happy with the light your porch actually gets. For sun-drenched porches, you can't go wrong with classic geraniums, petunias, or lantana. They thrive on heat and color. For shadier porches, look for impatiens, fuchsia, or lush ferns. They bring brilliant color or texture to low-light areas. For year-round texture, consider evergreen shrubs like boxwood or dwarf conifers that can be the permanent thriller. And for a fragrant welcome, try herbs like lavender or rosemary. Remember to check your hardiness zone. If you don't know it, a quick Google search will save you from buying plants that simply won't survive where you live. Alright, time for inspiration. Here are my top 10 best porch container garden ideas, using some gorgeous visuals. Pay attention to the combination of plant shapes, textures, and pot styles. 1. Modern farmhouse symmetry. This idea emphasizes clean lines and perfect symmetry. 2 large, modern charcoal planters flank the entry, holding upright, simple greenery. The minimal planting selection and sleek, dark pots perfectly complement the white shiplap and dark trim of the modern farmhouse style, creating a balanced and welcoming, yet understated, statement. 2. Casual seating fern haven. A classic, relaxed look featuring lush ferns, the champion of shady porches. The planters add height and texture, softening the bold lines of the black Adirondack chairs and rug. The vibrant green of the ferns paired with the playful pop of color from the striped pillows creates an inviting, comfortable outdoor living space perfect for sipping a morning coffee. 3. Southern Charm Porch Swings. This picturesque cottage-style porch uses clustered containers to fill out the steps and entryway. The bright yellow and purple flowers in traditional clay pots stand out against the soft gray porch and white railing. Placing multiple pots of varying heights and widths creates a dynamic, layered look that enhances the relaxed, airy feel of the porch. 4. Spring Bulb Focal Point. An elegant and sophisticated display built around stunning purple tulips as the dramatic thriller. The broad, low-slung stone planter is filled with smaller, complementary pansies and violas, creating a rich purple and deep violet color scheme. This demonstrates how one magnificent seasonal bloom can be the anchor for an entire entryway design. 5. Grand Entrance Pillars. This idea uses 2 oversized, dark planters strategically placed between classical white pillars. The towering red begonias and vibrant ferns command attention against the backdrop of the traditional brick, creating a bold, tropical feel. The scale of the containers is key here. They must match the impressive height of the porch pillars. 6. Classic White Railing Cottage. A layered approach that incorporates hanging baskets, rail planters, and ground containers. The white railing provides a crisp backdrop for the bursts of pink and yellow flowers in simple, traditional terracotta and white pots. The combination of eye-level and ground-level greenery ensures visual interest from top to bottom. 7. Winter Seasonal Window Box. This brilliant idea shows how containers can be used seasonally. A long rustic coir-lined planter is filled with a mix of evergreen boughs, juniper, pine cones, and faux white berries and pumpkins. This is a perfect example of a low-maintenance, textural arrangement that brings warmth and holiday cheer to a porch in the cooler months. 8. Long Low Window Box Railing. A custom-built, long wooden planter box acts as a decorative railing, separating the seating area from the rest of the porch. The dark wood provides a sturdy base for a linear arrangement of small flowers and foliage like pansies and silvery succulents, beautifully complementing the vibrant red cushions on the wicker chairs. 9. Bold Color and Modern Angles. This design is a masterclass in using color and geometric shapes. The sleek dark gray tapered planters hold bright orange and yellow flowering plants, mirroring the warm tones of the cushions on the porch swing. This look is modern, impactful, and perfectly balanced, showing that planters can be just as important as the plants themselves. 10. Over-the-top lush layers. For the maximalist, this porch is a vibrant, multi-tiered display. It uses every vertical and horizontal surface, including hanging ferns, potted trees, staircase pots, and a lush ground-level rock border. The variety of foliage and flower colors creates a true cottage garden feel, proving your porch can be a full-scale landscape. See, your porch doesn't have to be an afterthought. A container garden is a personalized, flexible, and relatively easy project that pays huge dividends in curb appeal. Whether you prefer the sleek, modern symmetry of Idea 1 or the lush, overflowing layers of Idea 10, the thriller, filler, spiller rule will be your secret weapon. All it takes is a trip to the garden center, a few bags of potting soil, and a little creativity. Which of these 10 ideas is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video inspired you to get potting, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more tips on transforming your space from drab to dazzling. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video where we break down the best DIY planters you can make for under $20. Thanks for watching and happy planting!